Yo, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning to this channel. As you know already, this is about Forex, and I only document my journey, my process as a Forex trader on this channel. This channel is purposely created to document my journey, my process, every steps I'm going to take. Though the journey has not been easy, but I believe that everything's gonna be okay. So I'm also embarking on a challenge, okay? Trying to what? Trade the $25 to fortune. So if you don't really understand it, you can go to the previous video I did. You understand the whole process I'm talking about. So this week was not really a good week. I took only just one trade, but the trade did not go in favor. So let's go straight into the chart. Let me review the setup I took. Yeah, so back to the chart. Let me review the trade I took this week that just passed. So this is a USD CHF. So I took this trade on Tuesday. So this is how the trade. So I monitor the setup. Okay, so you could see that from here price moved down here, moved from all the way up here down to the side. Then it made a what? It made a low here. It made a lower high here, as you can see. So this area became my resistance level, as you can see. So you could see that price came to test this area. The price came down, rally up all the way to this resistance level, then came down all the way, then broke this support level right here, as you can see. It broke the support level right here, then came down, then rally up the way here, broke through this support level that became a resistance, broke through it, then rally up to this side. So I was actually waiting for price to rally to this place. I was actually waiting for price to get to this area, then I look for a sell. Okay, but unfortunately price did not get to that area. So when price got to this side, it came here and came to tap this level, this support level, and forming some kind of a head and shoulder pattern. I was not around when this setup happened, this thing played out, so I missed this setup. Okay, so after I made this setup, I was actually waiting for you to just get to this side, make some kind of a reaction around this level, then maybe I'll go for a sell, or price will break this resistance level, break out. Then I was waiting for what? A retest. So as you can see, price broke out from this resistance level. As you can see from here, it broke from this resistance level massively. You can see the push. Let me zoom out so you can see it. So as you can see, so this is the 2-hour time frame. So you can see, so price rallied all the way to this side, tapped this support area here, then broke through this resistance level. Then I was actually waiting for it to come and retest this level, then I will look for a buy. So true, the price broke out and came back to this level. So I was just waiting for my confirmation, then I take my buy. So this was the 2-hour. So I was waiting for that confirmation. You could see the price was reacting to this level. So I usually look at my confirmation, check my confirmation in the 1 hour time frame or the 30-minute time frame. So this was a 1 hour time frame. So you could see. So you could see that this was the area. So you could see that I was watching this. You could see this particular swing here. This swing from this side to this side. So you could see the price came, push up a little bit, came down, pushed up a little bit, then came down again. So I was actually waiting for a double bottom or a W pattern on this level. So you can see that price gave me that W pattern. Let me zoom it out for you to see. So you can see, as you can see that price made that W pattern, went this way, came down. So I was waiting for, so when price got to this level, give me this bullish engulfing candle, then I entered around here. So I entered around this place, then set my stop loss to about 25 pips. Set my stop loss to about 25 pips here. Then I was actually targeting this area. So back to my 2-hour time frame. Yeah. Yeah, so you can see, so I was actually targeting because I could not see, apart from this level here, this resistance level, the next resistance, next level that we can see is this side, this side, what we can see. So I was targeting this side to be my take profit, so which was about 100 pips from my entry points. So after I entered, I was actually waiting. So you could see that price was going up, down, up, went up, came down, went up, then was just playing around entry points, then it came down all the way. So when price got to this side, to this level here, so when price got to this area here, then I tried to I went out of the trade because I could see that the trade was actually taking my time. And I noticed that anytime I take a trade and the trade is actually taking time to push to profit, at the end of the day you see that the trade will end up hitting my stop loss. So I realized that this trade was not worth it to wait. It doesn't worth waiting for. So I actually just closed out around this level, around this area. When the price came out to this line, was trying to head to my stop loss, so I actually closed. Then immediately I closed the trade, then price immediately rallied up to this. You could see this candle, okay, this candle right here, this candle, as you can see here, this bullish candle. So price came back to around my entry point, then immediately it came back to hit my take profit. So you could see, if I've actually waited, it would have taken me out in my full stop loss. So but the way I close it actually minimize my losses. So you could see, so at the end of the day the trade did not play out. So you could see that the price from Tuesday up to the Friday, you could see that price was just going up, down, up, down, up, down, actually playing around this level. So the trade was not really successful. So I think I end up with a loss of $3. So as you all know, I'm trying to grow a $25 account to a huge amount, to a fortune. I know it's not going to be easy, but I believe that I'm going to do it. So I'm not going to give up, although there are so many times I want to give up, but I cannot give up. I've been on this thing for some years now, so I cannot give up. No. It's part of me. I cannot. Once I start something like this, I cannot give up. I can't give up. So yeah. So that was it. So I only took USD CHF. But I don't really understand. For the past 2-3 weeks now, my strategy has not really been playing out. The market is not really playing out for me. But let's hope that this coming week will be a successful one. Yeah. But usually I mostly do my analysis and my trade on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, I'm a day trader, so I usually take my trade mostly on the 1 hour time frame. So I usually use just the 2 hour time frame and sometimes the 4 hour time frame to analyze to know the direction of the trend. So my strategy just involves around support and resistance. As you can see, when I did the analysis, you could see that all what you could see was around was about support and resistance. You can see this side. This is a resistance, a support. So I actually did I take this trade? This is also part of my strategy. Okay, this is, so I have about 5 patterns that I stick to, 5 trading patterns, and these 5 patterns involve around support and resistance, or supply and demand, as some people will say. Okay, so first of all, let me show you one of the patterns I trade. I have about 5 patterns, and these patterns involve around support and resistance. So the first pattern that I trade, okay, that I stick to, one of the 5 patterns I stick to is break and retest. Okay, break and retest. So I'm sure most of you here would know what when we say break and retest, you understand break and retest. So let me show you. So for example, let's say we are in a downtrend. This is price moving all the way down here, rally up a little bit, came down, rally up a little bit, and came down. Okay, so this is a downtrend. Okay, this is a downtrend. Good. So you can see this is a downtrend. This is what our high up, our low is lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then you can see that price will make another lower high. So how do I do it? So first of all, I mark my support and resistance. Okay, my new highs and lows, my new support and new resistance level. So first of all, this will be my previous low. Okay, my previous low. So I will make my my support level here. Okay, but once price break through that support level, okay, that level becomes a resistance level. Okay, so I'll actually just be waiting for price to rally back, okay, to retest that level that has been broken. So when price gets here, then I look for my confirmation, my candlestick confirmation, then I take a sell. Okay, and most importantly, I usually follow the trend. Okay, following the trend is very, very important. Okay, very, very, very important. So that is one of the patterns. The same thing for for uptrend, when price is moving up. So let me show you. So let's say this is price moving up, then retraces a little bit, move up a little, then retraces, then move up, then retraces. Okay, so as I said already, so I first mark my supports and my resistance level. Okay, so I'll mark my resistance. This level was acting as a resistance before. You can see price this area was acting as a resistance level. You could see that when price gets here, price came down then before breaking out. So when price breaks out of this level, okay, I'll just wait for price to come back to retest this level. Okay, then I look for buy. And most importantly, I always want what this level to be tested twice. So once this level is tested twice, then it gives me what the confirmation that okay, once price was able to test this level twice, if price breaks out, it is going to what be a huge confirmation for me, because price will be able to what reject the price upward, okay, push the price back upward, because it's a strong what level. Okay, so that is one of my patterns. Then let me quickly show you the second pattern. Okay, the second pattern. Okay, I remember I told you I have 5 major patterns that I trade, and these 5 major patterns what evolves around what support and resistance. Okay, support and resistance. So mostly I usually add what trend line to it. Okay, then sometimes Fibonacci. Okay, all these are my confluences. Okay, so when 3 of these my confluences are right, then I take my trade. So let me show you the second setup I take. So this is the second setup. So for example, let's say we are in a downtrend, the price price came down a little bit, then push up, came down, okay, came down, then I'll be looking for price. Okay, so when price move from here, move all the way, then make this sorry, where is it? Okay, go back. So when price move all the way down here, then move up, so I will just draw my words. I will draw my zone. Okay, so this place will be acting as my resistance level. Okay, so this place will be acting as my resistance level, as you can see. So when price makes this resistance level here and then comes down, okay, I'll be waiting for price, okay, to rally all the way back to this area. Okay, then I take my sell. That is for the downtrend. Then the same thing uptrend too. Okay, so you could see, let me show you. You could see the same thing happening around this side. You could see somewhere, you can see this. Look at this. You could see that price came down from here, made a resistance level here. You could see that this place, if you should extend this place, you could see it. Okay, so when price test this resistance level, okay, then it came down, you could see that price move back to this level that was acting as a support before, now acting as resistance. Okay, so you see that price, when price got here, the price was pushed down. You see how price pushed down massively. Okay, push down massively up to this area, you will see. So this is one of my patterns. I have about 5 patterns, but I'm not going to see all of them in this particular video. I'll probably do a video purposely for it. Okay, so that is it. So this was the trade I took on Tuesday. It actually got me out. I was not able to eat the take profits. So let me quickly show you the account, the state of the account. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to be part of this journey, please smash the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the post notification button so that you'll be alert anytime I drop this video. You or the other.